A discussion topic can be accessed from a discussions link on the navigation bar or directly from a folder or a learning module. This tutorial shows you how to access a discussion topic directly from the navigation bar. Click on the discussions link on the navigation bar. You see a list of discussion topics. The discussion questions are shown in the description of a topic. To answer the questions, you will post a message on the topic page. A discussion topic may be set up to have you post a message first before you can read others' messages. To post a short message, click on a discussion topic to enter the topic page. Click on Post a response to the discussion text. You opened up the content editor. Type your message in the content editor. You may click on Save Draft to save your message. To edit the message you just saved, you will click on Edit Draft. When you are ready, click on Post. Your message will be displayed as the first message right underneath the description of the topic.